In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post rent on Facebook Marketplace 2026. Let's start by opening Facebook. Once you're in, head to the Marketplace tab. On mobile, it's the little storefront icon. On desktop, you'll find Marketplace in the left sidebar. This is where all buying, selling, and housing activity lives. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar to look for Marketplace and then open it from there. Inside Marketplace, choose Create New Listing. When the listing options appear, select Home for rent or Property for rent. You'll then be prompted to choose the most accurate category for what you're offering: apartment, house, condo, or room for rent. Pick the one that truly matches your property. Using the correct category helps Facebook show your listing to the right renters and improves the quality of inquiries you receive. Next, add your property details. Start with photos. Upload clear, well-lit images that highlight the best parts of the space. Natural light works wonders, so shoot during the day, tidy up the rooms, and show multiple angles of key areas like the living room, kitchen, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Include at least one exterior photo and any standout features such as updated appliances or a balcony. Avoid blurry shots and keep personal items out of frame. Now complete the information fields. Enter the monthly rent price clearly and double check the number. Set the location accurately so local renters can find you. If there's a map pin, place it close to the property while respecting privacy. Add the number of bedrooms and bathrooms so renters can quickly assess fit. Note whether it's furnished or unfurnished, and be specific if certain rooms are furnished while others are not. Indicate parking availability, such as a garage, driveway, or street parking, and clarify any limits. Include your pet policy, whether pets are allowed, any size or breed restrictions, and related fees. Finally, provide your preferred contact method. Marketplace messages are common, and keeping communication in-app helps you track conversations. Keep your wording friendly and professional. Before publishing, review everything carefully. Check that photos load correctly, the price and address are accurate, and your details are consistent. Read your description out loud to catch typos or unclear phrasing. When you're satisfied, tap Publish. Your rental will appear in Marketplace and may also surface in local housing searches. After it's live, you can edit details if something changes, and prompt, courteous replies to inquiries will help you fill the vacancy faster.